Let's race the train. Kind of moving sidewalk, so here we go, race. Race the train. I might beat it. Come on, I gotta beat the train. Just gotta beat the train. Gotta beat the train. It's gonna be close. It'd be better if I had tennis shoes. Oh, it's here. Oh, I thought I beat it. Man. Well, I gave it my best shot. If I had tennis shoes, I would have had a better chance. See what I'm wearing? That's my beach shoes. They're making an announcement about report suspicious activities. I think I look pretty suspicious running through the airport, racing trains. If I would have seen one of these departure boards yesterday morning around 10 o'clock, I might have made it to my next flight, which was at 10:50, I think it was. But didn't see the board. My flight got in a little bit late. I was seated in the back of the plane, so it took me a while to get off there, and then to find my way to, see if I can find one of these charts. Here's a chart. To find my way from the terminal all the way to, this means almost nothing. But I was at the terminal. That's where the plane came in yesterday. I had to find my way from the terminal to get on this train and take the train to A, B, C, D, and all the way to E. 5 stops. This train right here. And I didn't find that in time, so missed the train, missed my plane, and I've been hanging out at the airport for, oh, I don't know, 18 hours or so. But I got it all figured out finally. So I'll be on the next plane. Plane, flight. I'll be on it! Bye for now!